Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Audi A5 grille. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need various Torx bits, specifically T20, T25, and T30, along with a 10mm socket and a flat blade screwdriver. Begin by opening your hood and carefully removing the plastic lock carrier cover. Next, unfasten the 4 push pins and 5 bolts securing the radiator shroud. Now, let's move to disconnecting the bumper. Turn your front wheels for easier access to the fender liners. Remove the 2 Torx screws from each front fender liner. Reach behind the bumper to disconnect both fog lights and any parking aid sensors. Also, unplug the outside air temperature sensor and the HomeLink transmitter if your vehicle is equipped with one. With the electrical connections handled, we can now remove the bumper itself. Head underneath the car and remove the 4 T30 Torx screws from the lower bumper cover. With assistance, carefully pull the bumper cover straight forward to release it from the vehicle. Once off, place the bumper onto a soft surface. Now, remove the approximately 14 screws holding the grille to the bumper. The final step is to carefully release the grille from the bumper cover. Using a flat blade screwdriver, gently pry and release the 6 retaining clips located along the top edge of the grille. Next, release the 3 clips on each side. Finally, disengage the 6 clips along the bottom edge. Once all clips are free, you can carefully lift the grille away from the bumper, completing the removal process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.